Hello, I'm Rashmi Kothavkar. Today I'm going to explain about the non-access modifier in Java programming. So let's see one by one details about the non-access modifier. So first I'm see let's see firstly about the first type of non-access modifier. That is the first is the final non-access modifier. So, in a final non-access modifier, the modifier can be applied with the class, method, instance variable, local variable, or the method argument. So, first of all, let's see how we use the final non-access modifier with the class. So, in a final class, the final keyword is used with the final when we want to restrict its inheritance by any other classes. For example, if we have the final class Honda, then any attempt to extend these classes can lead to a can be lead with a compile time error. So next we see about the final method. In final method, the final method is used to indicate the Java runtime environment. This method is not meant to be an overridden of its subclasses. So next we will see about the what is the final variable. So the final keyword is used with the variable also to any modification to the variable value. So thus including the JVM and its constant. So this means the final variable can be initialized once. So second type of non-access modifier is the abstract non-access modifier. So in an non-abstract modifier, it means that it includes the sum types like a abstract class. So in abstract class, a class as a declare with the abstract including the class cannot be instantaneous, which means no object can be created for these classes, but it can be inheritance. So still the constant that will called inside the constructor of its subclass. So it can contains the abstract as well as the final method. So where abstract method will be overridden in the subclass. Then next we will see about the abstract method. So in abstract method are method without a definition. It contains only the signature of the method and to indicate that these to be overridden with the subclasses. Then we will see about the synchronized non-access modifier. So in synchronized non-access modifier, this keyword helps to prevent the access of the one of the method by multiple simultaneously. Thus synchronizing the flow of the program can be maintained a desired result using the multi-threading features. So then we will see about the static non-access modifier. So in a static non-access modifier, this variable is used for a memory management and the first thing referred while loading a class. So these members are treated on the level, thus they cannot be called using the abstract object. So this is about the static non-access modifier. So this is all information about the non-access modifier in Java programming. Thank you.